some differentiation which is important for your board exam, CBSE or ICSE. The first sum is y is equal to log sec x base sin x plus 10 to the power x square. Then what you have to do, let we suppose u is equal to log sec x to the base sin x and v is equal to 10 to the power x square. Then y is equal to u plus v. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx. Now u is equal to log sec x by log sin x. Then differentiating with respect to x, du dx is equal to log sin x square u by v method. That means this is v square. V means log sin x into ddx of log sec x minus u means log sec x into ddx of log sin x. This is equal to log sin x, log sec x differentiation of sec x means sec x tan x, and log of x, differentiation of log x means 1 by x. That means this is 1 by sec x minus log sec x into this is 1 by sin x, and differentiation of sin x means cos x by log sin x whole square. Cancelling sec x, we get tan x into log sin x minus cot x into log sec x divided by log sin x তার whole square. This is du dx. Now to find dv dx, v is equal to 10 to the power x square. Then differentiating with respect to v means 10 to the power x square. Differentiating with respect to v, with respect to x, we get dv dx is equal to ddx of 10 to the power x square. That means 10 to the power x square into log 10, and differentiation of x square means 2x. We know that ddx of 10 to the power mx means 10 to the power mx log 10 into ddx of mx. That means m 10 to the power mx log 10. In the same way, we get 10 to the power x square log 10 into ddx of x square means 2x. So our required differentiation is dy dx is equal to du dx plus dv dx. Then our required result is dy dx is equal to is equal to du dx means tan x log sin x minus cot x log sec x by log sin x whole square plus 10 to the power x square log 10 into 2x. This is your required answer. This type of problem are very important for your CBSE, ICSE or any other board exam. Okay, let's check your answer. Now our next problem is v is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube with respect to v is equal to sec inverse 1 by 2x square. You know the form 3x minus 4x cube means if we put x is equal to sin theta, then it becomes sin 3 theta. That means v is equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That means sin inverse sin 3 theta. This is equal to 3 theta. This is v. Sorry, this is u. Then theta means 3 into sin inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get du dx is equal to 3 by root over 1 minus x square. Now, in the case of v is equal to sec inverse 1 by 1 minus 2x square. Putting x is equal to sin theta, we get sec inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We know that cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. That means this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So it becomes sec inverse 1 by cos 2 theta. That means this is equal to sec inverse sec 2 theta. That means this is equal to 2 theta. Where theta means sin inverse x. Then 2 into sin inverse x. Then dv dx, differentiating with respect to x, dv dx is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Now you have to find du dp. That means du dx by dv dx. That means 3 by root over 1 minus x square by 2 by root over 1 minus x square. That means cancelling, we get 3 by 2 is your required answer. You have to differentiate sin xy plus cos x plus y is equal to e to the power xy. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get d dx of sin xy plus d dx of cos x plus y, and this is equal to ddx of e to the power xy. We know that ddx of xy means x into dy dx plus y into 1. Differentiate of x is equal to 1, and ddx of x plus y, this is equal to dx plus dy dx. That means 1 plus dy dx. Then this is equal to differentiating of sign, we get cos xy into ddx of xy plus this is equal to minus sin x plus y into ddx of x plus y is equal to e to the power xy, means differentiating of e to the power xy is e to the power xy and ddx of xy. So from here we get cos xy into ddx of xy means y plus x dy dx minus sin x plus y into this 1 plus dy dx, so 1 e to the power xy into y plus x dy dx. Taking common of dy dx, we get dy dx is equal to x cos xy minus sin x plus y minus x e to the power xy. This is equal to y e to the power xy. Changing in this side, right hand side, we get this is equal to plus sin x plus y, and this term will become minus y cos xy. So our required answer will be dy dx is equal to this by this, y e to the power xy plus sin x plus y minus y cos xy by x cos xy minus sin x plus y minus x e to the power xy. Okay, this is the solution. Next problem, x to the power p into y to the power q is equal to x plus y whole to the power p plus q. Then show that dy dx is equal to y by x. At first, taking log on both sides, we get log x to the power p y to the power q is equal to log x plus y whole to the power p plus q, or we know that log of f into b is equal to log a in plus log b, and log a to the power m is equal to m log a. Using these two properties, we get log x to the power p plus log x to the power q is equal to p plus q log x plus y, or p log x plus q log y is equal to p plus q log x plus y, or differentiating with respect to x, we get p into ddx of log x plus q ddx of log y is equal to p plus q ddx of log x plus y, or p log x differentiation 1 by x, this is 1 by y dy dx, this is p plus q by x plus y into ddx of x plus y, or p by x plus q by y dy dx is equal to p plus q by x plus y into 1 plus dy dx. Changing, we get dy dx q by y minus p plus q by x plus y, and this is equal to p plus q by x plus y minus p by x. Now taking LCM we get dy dx into y into x plus y, that means q into x plus y minus y into p plus q, and this is equal to x into x plus y, that means x into p plus q minus x plus y into p. Cancelling, we get this is qy and this is minus qy. This is px minus px. We get qx minus py by x into x plus y, and this is equal to dy dx is equal to qx minus py by y into x plus y. You see here that these two terms are equal, so cancelling x plus y and p qx minus py we get, or we get dy dx is equal to y by x. This is your required answer and is proved. We take log on both sides and differentiating with respect to x, we get the required result. The problem is y is equal to x into root over x square minus a square by 2 minus a square by 2 log x plus root over x square minus a square. Then show that dy dx is equal to root over x square minus a square. So taking differentiating both sides, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy dx is equal to half into x into ddx of root over x square minus a square plus root over x square minus a square into ddx of x minus a square by 2 ddx of log x plus root over x square minus a square. This is equal to half x into half 2x by root over x square minus a square. This is whole to the power half, that means half x square minus a square, x to the power n formula, half minus 1 into ddx of x square minus a square plus root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 ddx of log this means 1 by x plus root over x square minus a square and ddx of x plus root over x square minus a square. This is equal to half x half into 1 by root over x square minus a square, because this is minus half, and differentiating this we get 2x, cancelling 2 plus root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 1 by x plus root over x square minus a square 1 plus half 2x by root over x square minus a square. Differentiation of root over x square minus a square means 2x by half into root over x square minus a square. We cancel 2, then what we get from here? Half. This is x into x square, and multiplying this or taking LCM, the LCM is root over x square minus a square, and this into this means plus x square minus a square. Minus a square by 2 1 by x plus root over x square minus a square. Again taking LCM we get x square minus a square plus x by root over x square minus a square, cancelling. This is equal to half 2x square minus a square by root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into x by into 1 by root over x square minus a square. Now in the denominator this is 2 into root over x square minus a square, and here is also 2 into root over x square minus a square. So denominator is 2 into root over x square minus a square, and in the numerator x square minus a square minus a square. So what we get? 2 into x square minus a square by 2 into root over x square minus a square. Cancelling we get, this is x square minus a square by root over x square minus a square, we get root over x square minus a square. Proved. This is the RHS. This is y is equal to x cube into root over x square minus 12 by cube root of 20 minus 3x. This is u by v form. It will be easier if we take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get log y is equal to log x cube into root over x square minus 12 by 20 minus 3x whole to the power 1 by 3. We know that this is u by v form. Then log a by b means log a minus log b. then log x cube into x square minus 12 whole to the power half minus 1/3 log 20 minus 3x. Product of two number is equal to addition of two number in the property of log. That means 3 log x plus half log x square minus 12 minus 1/3 log 20 minus 3x. That means differentiating with respect to x, we get ddx of log y is equal to 3 into ddx of log x plus half ddx of log x square minus 12 minus 1/3 ddx of log 20 minus 3x. This is equal to 1 by y dy dx is equal to 3 by x plus half 1 by x square minus 12 into 2x minus 1/3 1 by 20 minus 3x into ddx of this, that means minus 3, or y is equal to dy dx is equal to y into 3 by x plus x by x square minus 12 plus 1 by 20 minus 3x. Putting the value of y, we get this is equal to x cube x square minus 12 by cube root of 20 minus 3x into 3 by x plus x by x square minus 12 plus 1 by 20 minus 3x. Putting x is equal to 4, this is equal to 4 cube into 16 minus 12 by cube root of 20 minus 12, taking 4 in place of x. This is equal to 3 by 4 plus 4 by 16 minus 12 plus 1 by 20 minus 12. That means 64 into root over 4 means 2, and this is equal to cube root of 8, cube root of 8, cube root of 8, cube root of 8. That means this is equal to 2, cancelling 2. This is 3 by 4 plus 4 by 4 plus 1 by 8, and this is equal to 64 into LCM is 8. This is 6. This is 8. And this is 1. 8 8s are 64. That 8 into 15. Your answer is 120. So your answer is 120. This type of problem I have discussed in my previous video. This is same type. this is the root over x minus 5, root over x plus 31 minus 12 into root over x minus 5. I have already said to you that you please put your eyes on this term. That means 12 into root over x minus 5. This is the only clue of this equation. Root over x minus 5 plus x plus 31 minus 2 into 6 into root over x minus 5. That means this is the term of 2ab. Now you arrange this in this way. That means this can be written x minus 5 plus 36 minus 2 into 6 into root over x minus 5. That means root over x minus 5 plus root over x minus 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 6 into root over x minus 5. So what we get? This is equal to root over x minus 5 and this is equal to 6 minus root over x minus 5 its whole square. Then root over x minus 5 plus 6 minus root over x minus 5. Cancelling we get this is 6, fx is equal to 6, then f plus x is equal to 0. Here one thing is to say is that x is always, x lies between 5 and 6. X lies between 5 and 6